Good morning, class 6th. Today we will start our discussion with chapter 1. Okay, food and its sources. You all know food is necessary for each and everyone for its survival. And what are the components of food and what are its various sources from where the food comes? Okay, we will study about this in this particular chapter. Okay, so we get food from both animal and as well as plants. Animals eat different kinds of food. Okay. You can see in the pic also the food items are shown over there. Got it? And now you need to find out the which food is in which category. Okay, you can see in the pics also. In the very first pic, salad is shown over there in figure 1. In figure 4th, for example, dosa is shown over there. In figure 3rd, you can also see the chicken is shown over there. Got it? From where these foods comes, what are the advantages of taking these types of food, how they help our body to grow, need for food. Most of us eat food at least 3 times a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Have you ever wondered why we eat food? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि हम क्यों खाना खाते हैं? What will happen if we do not eat food for a day? अगर हम किसी दिन खाना ना खाएं तो क्या होगा? Just like a vehicle, like car, needs petrol or diesel to its power engine, we need food to provide energy to our body and stay fit and healthy. Got it? Food contains certain substances called nutrients that are essential for the health and proper functioning of the body. Food items that we eat in major portions on a daily basis are called staple food. Okay, food that we eat help us in many ways. For example, it provides us energy to do various activities. It helps our body growth. Okay, it helps in the replace and repair of worn out tissues. It helps to protect our body from various diseases. That's why we need food. If we don't take food, then our body will not get energy. There will be no growth of our body. There will be no repair of worn out tissues or cells. Okay? And we will not be able to protect ourselves from various disease. That's why we need food. Food we eat. See this. Steamed rice is shown in the figure 1.1, as well as vegetable pulao is shown over there. These seems to be very much delicious. Okay, we eat a variety of food items. Human beings eat different types of food as per their taste, lifestyle, habits, need, and availability. Okay, for example, some people eat food items made up of rice such as idli, dosa, or steamed rice, while some eat wheat-based food items such as chapati, bread, noodles. Many people eat food made from chicken, egg, meat, and fish. Some food items are eaten raw, some vegetables and most fruits, while some are cooked to make a variety of dishes. A preparation of food served as a part of main meal is called a dish. Dish, got it? Most of the food items that we eat are made up of more than one ingredient. Ingredients are mixed in certain proportions to make the food items tasty. More than 3 ingredients, for example, steamed rice is made from two different ingredients, water and rice. Vegetable pulavs are made from rice, water, vegetables, oil, spices, and salt. Got it? The choice of food or food we eat, it will totally depend upon where we live and what are the availability of food resources over there. Okay, and as well as our taste also. Your task is choose the ingredient from the box which you would use to make the food items given below. Fresh lime soda. What you need? Tomato soup. What you need for that? Tomatoes. Definitely you will need. Okay. Water you will need for that. Salt you also need for making it some taste over there. Now see the segment of my dictionary staple. One that is basic and important in a people's everyday life. Ingredients, different foods used while cooking a particular dish. Different foods used while cooking a particular dish is called ingredients. Sources of food. Till now in this chapter we studied about why we need food, what is food, what are its availability of food according to the region also we studied. Different ingredients used to prepare our food are obtained from either plants or animals. Food from plants. You have already learned that plants make their own food by a process called photosynthesis using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Hence, plants are called producers. Plants produce more food than required for themselves, so plants store extra food in various parts such as root, stem and flowers. Okay, leaves, fruits and seeds. Animals on the other hand cannot prepare their food and depend upon plants and other animals for food. Hence, animals are called consumers. Animals are called consumers, plants are producers. Human being is also in the category of consumers. Plants are most important and basic source of food for all living organisms. Plants as whole or their different parts are used as food. Plants provide us with vitamins, so plants form an important part of our diet. Eating a variety of vegetables and fruits protects us from many disease also. You can see plant roots used as food, carrot, radish, turnip also. Okay, food from roots. See this. Some plants such as carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot and sweet potato store food in their roots. These roots are rich in starch and called modified roots. These roots can be eaten raw or cooked. Okay. Food from the stem. Stem of many plants are eaten as food. In some plants such as potato, turmeric and ginger, stems are found below the soil. Below the soil, these stems are called underground stems. Underground stems are modified for the storage of food. You can see in the figure also ginger and turmeric is shown over there. Food from the flowers. Food from the flowers. Flowers of some plants such as cauliflower, broccoli and banana are also eaten as food. Banana is also shown in the pic. Okay, and cauliflower and broccoli is also shown over there. The flowers are used as a part of the food. Now food from leaves. Leaves of some plants such as cabbage, lettuce, spinach, mustard and fenugreek are eaten as food. Leaves of mint and coriander are used in making chutney for garnishing. Mint is an herbaceous plant, has many medicinal properties. In figures 1.6, some common plant leaves eaten as food are shown over there. Cabbage, okay, fenugreek, spinach is also shown over there. Okay, garnishing means decorating food. Okay, food from fruits. Many plants such as guava, apple and mango store extra food in their fruits. Vegetables such as tomato, brinjal, pumpkin are actually the fruits of plants. We eat these fruits and vegetables as food. Shows some fruits and vegetables eaten as food. Food from the seeds, you can see. Some plants stores food in seeds. These we eat these seeds as staple food. Seeds such as wheat, rice, maize, oats are called cereals, such as black gram, red lentils, pig-on, pea, and kidney beans are called pulses, shown in figure also. Okay. Now you can cross check what you learned till now and do the correction in the statement whether the given statement is correct, true or false. If it is false, then correct its statement. Now food from animals. Food from animals. Animals provide us with a variety of products such as milk, meat, eggs, and honey, which we eat as food. In figure, some food items are shown over there. Those are obtained from the animal sources. Milk, cow, goat, buffalo are some common animals that give us milk. Milk producing animals are called milch animals. Milk and its products such as paneer, butter, cream, cheese and curd are commonly called dairy products. Got it? Dairy products. Eggs, you can see hen, geese and ducks are some of the common birds that give us egg. These birds are called poultry. Meat mainly comes from chicken, goat, sheep and ducks. A large population of world is dependent on meat as their staple food. Very strange to know. Okay. Fish. Many kinds of fish are also eaten. People living in the coastal regions mainly depend on seafood. Honey. Bee collects nectar, a sweet liquid known as nectar, from flowers and convert it into a thick sweet liquid called honey. Honey is collected and stored for use throughout the year. We use honey as natural sweetener. It is also have some medicinal properties also. Okay. Now food habits of animals. Animals cannot prepare their food by themselves, we all know. They are also in the category of heterotrophs. So they depend on plants and other animals for their food. Based on these food habits, animals are grouped in three main categories: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay. Dear students, we will continue with this discussion tomorrow also, based on the food habits of animals, their classifications. Now we will recapitulate what we studied till now. We studied about the food. We studied about the food, its sources. Okay, why we need food. What are the various plant that provide us food: stem, root, fruit, flower, okay, flowers, as well as we studied about the food from animals also. Food from animals also. There you can see the meat, milk, eggs, fish, and honey also. Okay. So depend on the food habits of animal. We will continue this and we will discuss exercise questions also with this tomorrow. Thank you so much, dear students. Take care. Bye bye.